The seated knee extension targets the quadriceps muscles at the front of the thigh. This exercise helps strengthen your knees and prevent injuries by improving lower body stability. Start by sitting upright with your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Hold onto the edge of the seat for stability. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lift your right leg off the floor and extend it as straight as possible while keeping your back straight. Squeeze your thighs to hold the extended position for 5 seconds, breathing normally. Then return to the starting position. Repeat the extension 10 times, then switch legs and mirror the same motion 10 times to complete one set. Aim for 2 to 3 sets. Remember to consult your healthcare provider to make sure that this exercise is safe for you. Stop the exercise if you feel any discomfort.